and also destroy our mental health.
Natuto tayong tumawa kahit nagdurusa. Natuto tayong lumuha dahil di na natin kaya. Lumaban ka lang, hindi pa ito ang huli.
Kasalanan ko naman to. Sana di na lang ako pinanganak para hindi na sila minalas. Hindi na nila ako mahal. Wala na nagmamahal sa akin.
What if these challenges were sent to make you wiser, to make you stronger, to make you better? What if this loss that you experience was meant to make you appreciate life more? The truth is, we all decided how we are going to live our life. I know words will take away the pain, but this will never be your end. If you stop in the dark right now, if you're crying in the corner of your room, it is okay. It's okay to lose. It's okay to take a break. But it will never be okay if you stop and never try.